adding a sport to the Mi Watch Revolve Active. Step 1. Press the Sports button on your watch. Step 2. Scroll down and select the Add Sport option. Step 3. Browse through the various sports modes and select your preferred option. Step 4. Once you've selected the sport, click on the plus to add it to your list. Deleting a sport from the Mi Watch Revolve Active. Step 1. Press the Sports button on your watch. Step 2. Scroll down and select the Remove Sport option. Step 3. Click on the sport you would like to remove and confirm the same. Starting a sport on the Mi Watch Revolve Active. Step 1. Press the Sports button on your watch. Step 2. Select the sports mode you wish to use. Step 3. Once you're ready, just click Go. You can also check your workout history on your watch by pressing the Home button and clicking the History icon. Keeping track of your favorite sports on the Xiaomi Wear app. Step 1. Open the Xiaomi Wear app. Step 2. Under the Status tab, click on View Workout History and view your workout logs. Step 3. Select a workout to gain an in-depth analysis of your workout.